Hi everyone, Sarah Westbrook here, emotional resilience strategist. When I work with your students, I come into your Google Classroom and I present virtually. I do a very interactive presentation. Also, all your students will receive the UPower MiniJournal. This allows them to have all the strategies that I'll be working with them to build their emotional resilience right in front of them. It's really great too for the teachers because they don't have to try to print off a whole bunch of papers, try to organize how to put it together. It's just one more thing on their to-do list that they really don't need. This also allows a student to feel pretty special that they have their very own workbook. During the presentation, I will engage them with stories, also a song. I will also be asking them questions. Whether they use the chat box or raise their hand, I can clearly see that there's interaction that is happening during the presentation. What's really great is after the presentation is done, it's not over yet because there's so many exercises left in their mini UPower journal that the teacher can continually refer back to the message. And with consistency and effort, this builds their emotional resilience, also their confidence, helping them be really proactive with their mental health. I will be showing them lots of different exercises, but the one in particular that's really going to stand out for them is being aware of their emotions. I want them to see that emotional awareness is a huge part of being resilient. I also want them to see that when you feel an emotion, you can also feel it physically, and then learning ways to move through it in a healthy way. Emotions can be extremely overwhelming, and that's why we see a lot of behaviors come out of emotions. And I want to teach them the skill of making choices beyond emotion, knowing that it's okay to feel, but it's not okay to hurt yourself and others because of a big feeling, but that your character matters, and that's where you want to make choices from. So during the presentation, they will be deciding what character trait they really want to be known for as a person and where they want to make choices from. They will be directed to this exercise where they see all different character traits. They will choose one and they will write it in this box. I choose to be. I choose to be. For example, they could choose respectful. I asked the teacher then, after the presentation, to cut out the box, stick it on the desk, if that would work for them, because it's a great visual reminder for the student and an awesome tool for the teacher to hold them accountable for their actions, words, and behavior. It would look something like this. Whoa, that choice you just made. You said that you chose to be respectful, but that choice did not sound or look respectful. So what emotion were you feeling when you said or did that? Let's go back to the elephants. Okay, so tell me what emotion you were feeling. Okay, where did that show up in your body? Okay, what's a healthy way you could move through that emotion? Because it's okay to feel, but it's not okay to be disrespectful because of a feeling. And then you said you want to be respectful, so what choice will you make that will show respect? This reminds them that there's two places in life to make choices from. A, you just go through life saying, I don't know, I felt like it. Or you say, yeah, I have a big emotion, but I'm going to learn how to be aware of it, how to manage it, how to bounce back and move with and through it so I can still show up as respectful to myself, others, and my dreams. Of course, this is an ongoing journey and process, but with these exercises and with the presentation and the support of the teacher, wow, it makes a difference in building their emotional resilience. It helps them be proactive with their mental health, as well as a great place to hold them accountable for their behavior. I am committed to creating simple and effective strategies to continually build emotional resilience.